In this quick video, I'll show you how to share your Miro board the right way so your team can collaborate easily and securely. Start by opening your Miro board and heading to the top right corner. Click the Share button. You can also do this from the Miro dashboard by hovering over your board card, clicking the three dots and selecting Share. Both ways bring you to the same sharing window. Now, if you want to invite people directly, type in their email addresses and choose their access level, can edit, can comment, or can view. You can always adjust these permissions later if you need to. If you're part of a team or company workspace, Miro also lets you set access for everyone on your team or organization. Super handy when you want everyone to have visibility without sending individual invites. For external sharing, you can create a public link. Choose whether people with the link can view, comment, or edit. Just remember, commenting and editing links require a paid plan. You can even add a password for extra security if your admin allows it. Once your settings look good, click Copy Board link and share it wherever you need through email, chat, or your project tools. That's it. You've now mastered how to share a Miro board efficiently and securely. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.